So Youth for Unity, to me at least, is just sort of this student-built environment in which students can come in and discuss complicated issues and really be themselves and learn about others.
Ultimately, our goal is to spread love, awareness, and understanding through really deep, in-depth conversation. Well, last year I was the only remaining board member from FEDS, Feminism, Equity, Diversity, and Solidarity, before the rest of my board graduated.
I wanted to be a leader of this organization because I want to create a safe place for every person in this school within our community.
If not for once in my life, I want to be part of something positive. I hope the mark that this club makes is just a really giant, huge, not stain, but sort of mark of Free State of something that was really just good at its core, and I hope it affects many students for years to come, not traumatizingly or anything, but with certain life lessons that are discussed. If that makes sense.